Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your local target on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your local target because you want to receive groceries. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target on the bottom right-hand corner. From here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says My Store and then click on Change. So what you see here is a list of targets within your area, but you can enter your zip code or city and state, and then it's also going to show you different targets within that area as well. But go ahead and click on which target you want to be for your local target. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your local target. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.